Hello everyone! Have you ever imagined if you can combine the two builds on the Lego 10295 Porsche 911 set? Well yes, and I'll show you how to build the Lego Porsche 930 Turbo Targa. And if you're wondering whether the 930 Turbo Targa ever existed, yes it did, but in really low numbers, and it was the only Porsche 911 offered as a Turbo Targa. To complete the build, you should acquire a few extra pieces and you must get the ones on the left, but the ones on the right, you can either have the two 1x1 tiles or the single 1x6 tile, and I'll explain it to you later on how to use them. Here's a slideshow of all the pieces you'll need to complete the build. I have linked the source where I got these extra pieces in the description box below. So when you reach page 181, this is where you have to take the decision whether to build the turbo or the Targa. So continue the build till page 192. So here's the turbo's engine which I've installed. Now you will have to skip to page 204 to build the engine cover. So when you reach step 38, you will have to use the piece with the turbo logo on it as on the real car. And this is how it will look like, but you could also use the Targa piece instead of this. Or you could also make it the Turbo Targa, but you will need some more pieces to align it in the center. I am going to use the Turbo logo as it was the one that was found on the real car. Now you will have to skip to page 217. You will have to build the turbo's rear axle here, which I have already built. And I'm going to attach it in the next step, and also the two pieces found on the running board on both sides. So continue the build till the end of the turbo part. So I have already built it and this is how it looks like. So we are going to build the Targa part now, so skip to page 248 and continue the build till page 253. So this is how it looks like. So we are going to build the Targa roof bar now, and this is where you need the additional pieces. So at step 39, you need the optional pieces and I'll explain it to you how. So you'll need to acquire either the white 1x6 tile to cover the top of the front windshield as shown in step 276 of page 153, or you will be left out with these three pieces while doing the conversion and you can use it instead of the single 1x6 tile. You will need to acquire two 1x1 black tiles if you are using the three pieces instead of this one single tile. If you want to make it look cleaner, you should acquire the white 1x6 tile, and you can get the black 1x1 tiles from under the floor of the front trunk, which are these pieces right here, which I am removing now. And you can replace them with the white 1x1 tiles which I have shown you earlier. So now you can use the black 1x1 tiles to complete the Targa roof bar. So the main body of the Targa is complete. Skip to the page where you have to build the Targa roof, which I have already built here, and this is how it looks like. And continue the build till page 263 where you have to attach the tires. You could use either the black one or the grey one. And the Turbo Targa conversion is complete with the roof in place. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.